If you think you are spending too much money on disinfectant, never mind. In this video, we're going to show you by following these 5 steps will save you at least half of the disinfectant spending. Hi, Andy here. We are the Numatic master distributor in Malaysia. Now, most of the pro may have used the disinfectants across all surfaces in attempt to get rid of potential virus. Yes, it is necessary for reducing the spread of disease, but some powerful chemicals release volatile organic compounds in the air that can impact indoor air quality. Now, research shows targeted hygiene approach that can addresses the surfaces that most likely involved in transmission without overusing chemicals. So all you need to do now is answer these 5 questions, and you will be able to have your own disinfection program that is effective and save you money. The first question, who? First, make note who is the most at risk in the facility. It can be older adults or children that is not eligible for vaccination yet, individual with underlying health condition with higher risk of severe illness from COVID. Question number 2, what? Now, decide what product to use. When choosing products, pay attention to the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Cleaning physically removes soils from the surfaces, while sanitizing lowers the number of germs to a safe level. And disinfecting kills bacteria or viruses on surfaces. Some products can perform all 3 tasks in one go. Be sure to use the appropriate cleaning products on the right surface. For example, a bleach-based product may be correct for cleaning a toilet bowl, but could damage an electronic device. The third question, where? You can then determine where to disinfect within the facility. High touch points or surfaces that everyone touches include tabletops, counters, light switches, elevator buttons, door handles, remote controls, and more. In general, elevator surfaces, including countertops and handrails, are likely to receive a lot of hand contact, whereas surfaces like floors may not need disinfection at all. However, these considerations may change from facility to facility. For example, floor in childcare facilities may become high touch points when children play on the floor. The next point, when? You may typically disinfect at the end of the day, right? But viruses are traveling between people and indoor spaces all day long. So you can identify times that call for more disinfection because every schedule is unique to the facility's needs. For example, childcare facilities will likely need more frequent disinfection, and a cafeteria may need disinfection before and after lunchtime. Using a targeted hygiene approach can help employees identify the most important times for cleaning and disinfecting without having to wait for the next slot to come. For example, elevators and entrance doors may need attention after the morning rush of employees entering the building, while restroom may need cleaning after key break times or during lunchtime. The last question, how? The last step is to train the cleaners or yourself up on how to clean according to the best practices or guidelines. Personal protective equipment such as gloves, face shield, and make sure all necessary training steps or education materials are available. Additionally, safety data sheets (MSDS) that comes with the cleaning or disinfecting products should be accessible for yourself or all cleaning staff to review before using the new products. Only by following these contact times to ensure the chemicals reaches the full potential against viruses. After leaving the surface wet with the disinfectant for the contact time, wipe with disposable cloth or microfiber towels if necessary. You should also be sure not to carry contaminated dirt from one surface to another by repeatedly using the same microfiber cloth for all surfaces. Alright, that's been it. Make sure you go through these 5 questions to develop a cleaning and disinfection program that addresses the most high-risk area without overusing chemicals or waste money on the area that you don't need to disinfect that frequent. Hit the like button if you find this useful and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Take care.